Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Cassill, and this is just a little tech tip that I wanted to share with everybody. Not everybody in every single class speaks English. This is one of the wonderful things about our world. We have lots of different people from lots of different places, and we all come together to try to learn things. So, this week your assignment includes this crash course computer science video. These are really good, but one of the things I don't like about them for every single subject I teach, they talk so fast. So if you're trying to learn something new, it's really challenging. If you're trying to learn something new and English isn't your first language, it's really, really frustrating. So here's something that's an option for you to do anytime that you're looking at, or at least on this YouTube video. This is a new thing for me, so I've just figured it out, so I wanted to share with you. So first, when I watch a video, even for myself, I always turn on the closed captions. All right, right now, for some reason, they appeared very small, so I'm gonna make them, appear a little bit bigger because I'm an old lady and I can't see anything. Oh, there we go. Now they're a normal size. So you can see that there's the captions, they're in English on the video. That helps me a lot. Now, the options, some videos, when you go up here, you click on the little settings tab for your subtitles, you'll see, or subtitles or CC for closed captioning. There's other languages that you can look for. So there's a couple things like it asks you to auto translate, and this is where you can put on a different language. So you can look for, so if you need this in Arabic, you can go ahead and put it on in Arabic. Now that's auto translating, so that means that it doesn't get everything right. This lady is speaking English with a British accent and, her lovely personal voice, so it may not auto translate perfectly. The other thing that you can do, if you look down below a video, there's several options, right? They've got the likes and they've got the views. Right here it says more actions. When you click right here, you can look at a transcript. Oops, I clicked. I didn't want to record the video. The transcript also, you'll see it. It's now in the language that I chose for when I said add subtitles. Again, this is the auto-generated Arabic that's in this example. You could easily put on Spanish, Mandarin, Taiwanese, you name it. So you've got this here that is a written transcript of the video. So that's one thing that you can do. The other option is, or it says more, we can do add translations. This screen is what I found interesting because it lines up with the video. So you can both see the English, see the video, and then you can see another language. So right now it's in English. Here's where I can switch it to another language. So if I want to look at this in Spanish, and they have a couple different dialects there, which is cool to see. When I set this here, and this is what the community is writing. So this is where people are contributing. So you could edit this if you wanted to. Please don't be a punk. This is how people make those funny videos, and they're hilarious, but not on Crash Course, all right? I don't even know if you can do this while logged in on your student account. But the reason I wanted to show you this is that this is a nice way to line up different parts of the video where you can see the English, you can see another language, and you can see what's happening in the video at this same point in time. So if you're somebody who's trying to go and figure out what's this fast talking British lady saying about how a computer works, this might be the best screen to visit in order to follow along with what she's saying, what she's showing, and what it says in your first language. So again, just to sort of show how did I get here, this was back on the video. Click back so you can see it. This was underneath the more option right here where you can add translation. Again, that's for people to actually type in new subtitles and a translation. So don't edit things unless you mean to, but you can see the English and the auto-generated translation side by side with the video. So that might be helpful for some of you. So that's it. That was my only tip that I wanted to offer. So otherwise, I miss you all.